Hello, and welcome back to another video that I haven't done any commentary on before. Oh, I'll try it. This is cursed Minecraft. Let's break it. Yes. It all updates at once. Because it's cursed. Minecraft doesn't like it at all. It hates it. So I'm going to show you how to make one of these. It's kind of simple. You need to have commands. And in order to get this debug stick, /give and then @s and then debug stick, and then you can get one of these. And then the way you use it is a block that has, so like sand, there's nothing that you can change about sand. Things like rails, you can change what direction they face. So this is useful in creating super cursed things like this. And you can switch. At the bottom, you can see it's changed. You can select different things. So it's powered. So you can power all of these on. And now these rails are just going to stay powered, no matter what. Until, of course, they get updated somehow. If I were to break a block, then they all get updated. And they become unpowered. So, these still work, so you can put a minecart on it and it'll stay powered. And another thing you can do is, if you just switch, I need to be in creative mode to do this. You can click it, like hit it, and change. It says powered now, and you can change the shape now. So you can change different things about the block. So this only has shape. You can see at the bottom of my screen there, it selects different things. So I can change this so it faces this way and faces this way. Past it. So you just change these so that they look like this, and the minecart will then run on them like that. And this looks really cursed. Like this is not normal at all. And you can continue doing this. To get something like this. Just put the minecart on it and watch it go. And you can also do other crazy things, like down here with a torch. You can click the torch and it changes the direction of the torch. So there's only one property of the torch, but you can make it face different directions. And I tried this in a single player world and it doesn't work. So I'm on a server right now. The TPS is good, so I don't know what's different about servers than single player, because the rail thing does not work in a single player world. So that does not work in single player. So you might want to try it on a server. This is a paper server, paper 1.16.5. So if you want to try and replicate this, then try it there. It does not work in single player as far as I know. The blocks update too fast and it breaks it. You can also change things about crops. So you can like age. So I can grow crops. At the bottom it says changes the age. And I can also do some really cursed things with grass. So grass has a snowy attribute. So if you make it snowy, then the top looks weird because it's not in a snow biome. And if you were to look underneath and on the side, you can see it actually has the snow on the side of the block. But it doesn't actually look like it has snow on. Versus a snowy biome, it looks like it has snow on. That's probably going to be it for the video. Can you do something with nether portals? Oh, yeah, you can change the rotation of the nether portal. You can do things like carpets don't have any properties, but like you can rotate stairs with this. Dead bushes don't have any properties. You cannot use this on mobs, so it does not work on mobs. And you can also change it. So you can change waterlogged. I can make this waterlogged. This cactus, it doesn't have anything. It's actually a potted cactus. Interesting that I can change. That doesn't actually do anything. Oh yeah, you can change it open, and you can't actually. Yeah, you have to shift click, and I can make just the top half of the door open. Just the top half of the door is open. And you can do other things like slabs. Let me find a slab. Yeah, there's a slab right here, so you can make the slab a double, the top, or just the bottom. And farmland, you can change the moisture level, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I didn't know there was actually 7 moisture levels, that's interesting. But you can basically use this to rotate blocks and do some really cursed things with items. You can set half a door to be open. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Join my Discord in the description because it's cool, I guess. Alright, see ya.